How to do the motion blur effect on CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can do or add the motion blur effect on your video on CapCut video editor. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you should get an interface like this. You want to simply tap on new project and you want to select the video that you wish to add the motion blur effect to. Once you simply add it, you can see it's added here. At the bottom you can see various options, right? You can simply tap on the effects option there and then tap on video effects. Now once you tap on video effects, you should be able to see various options right here. Let it load up. It's taking some time, quite a bit while to load up. Once it loads up, you should be able to find the motion blur options right here, or you can search it from the search bar as well. Now here, as you can see, I've searched for motion blur on the search bar, and you can see the motion blur effect there on the screen. You want to simply tap on it and tap on it again if you wish to adjust it, and then just head to the video here and you can see the motion blur effect has been added. You can adjust it from down below here to the point where you want to start and end the motion blur. So this way you can add the motion blur effect on CapCut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.